Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about UNICH, that's UNICH Exchange, which is a Web3 exchange that is currently running its testnet and will be giving out some of its testnet tokens and then soon launch their mainnet where they'll be airdropping active users too. So this airdrop is actually quite easy. You can see here on the X page, it's UNICH Exchange. You'll get to it to PTG token, finance, trade, stake, borrow, and lend. But this exchange is not yet live. So that's why they're currently running a testnet to help users know how to make use of their exchange. So whenever it lists, they'll be giving out some tokens to some persons. And I can also say they're currently also listing tokens on their pre-market. They're also listing tokens on the pre-market already. You can see over here. Is also a new listing resolve on now live on UNICH pre-market OTC. So I think some days back, so they also listed Layer Edge on their pre-market exchange. So there's nothing really wrong if you join this airdrop. It's just actually quite easy to do. So I'll be showing us how to position for it. But the first thing is you have to go to Play Store and download the UNICH application. So the link to download it from Play Store will be in my description. Also, the link to join this airdrop will also be in my description. So you just join, click, and then to mine for a while. It's not a Telegram airdrop, it's a mobile airdrop. You can also do it on your browser if you don't want to download the app. You can also just click on the link, open it on your Chrome browser, and go ahead to mine. So let's download the app. So once you've downloaded and open the app, or you click the link and the app opens on your Chrome browser, just come over here and input your email. Click here, then input any email of your choice, register. The first interval you're going to be doing this just so you can verify. Then go over to your email and copy the verification code and paste it right here. So once you paste it, you can go ahead and that step is to set up a password. So I've set up my password. So just select any secure password of your choice. You can see the instructions here. So the next thing is for you to input your referral code. So you can input my referral code in the description. But if you click the link, you don't just have to just go ahead to confirm. So you can see you get 50 FD points for referral. Another thing about this airdrop is that the referral points are actually very low compared to the farming points. So I don't think it's fully a referral based app. So you can go ahead to just mine whether you have referrals or not, you still be able to get enough allocation. So all you have to do, you can see here, here's the airdrop part, and here's the Web3. The Web3 is still under development. So if you click on it, you can see that it's still a bit under development, and it's basically in form of a wallet. So you can decide to save up the wallet and back it up. Besides that, just go over to airdrop, and I feel the airdrop might be airdropped into the Web3 wallet. So if you come over here, just click on tap to end, tap here. So once you tap, you can see it's already mining, and every 24 hours you can come over and claim your mining points. Well, actually it automatically claims, so every 24 hours just come and restart the miner. Then you get to earn 0.83 FD per hour. It's still quite much. So over here you can get to see your referrals. You can get to see how many points you get per referral. So currently it's 50 FD per referral, and then this is where you can get to join the affiliates program and then over you can get to see their current roadmap. So maybe at your own free time you can look at it, and then here is the leaderboard. So these are various tasks you have to do, so endeavor to complete this task. I even see that the task has higher points, more points than the referral, so it's not completely referral based airdrop, which is a green flag. So think that's it for here. Then if you want to see your mining, go over to my earnings. Here you can get to see the number of points you've mined. This is your referral code. You can get to copy it, and then also copy your referral link. Then this is where you get to see your various referral and then the task. Then here is where you see your history of your activities. Then right here you can get to the language notification and then the password. I think that's everything for this UNICH airdrop. As you can see, it's actually quite easy. Just come over, restart, and then perform your task, refer a friend. Then you'll be getting enough points. You can say join our excited community and get your points, more activity and more reward. That's it for this airdrop. Referral link will be in the description. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Do it, turn your post notifications so I'm getting my videos whenever I post them. My Telegram channel too is in the description, so do well to join my Telegram channel so I'm getting first-hand information about these airdrops. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.